The Introvert Oasis presents 7 reasons why introverts make great thinkers. In a society that often values extroverted traits such as confidence, assertiveness, and social skills, introverts are often overlooked and misunderstood. However, introverts possess unique strengths that allow them to excel in a variety of areas, particularly when it comes to critical thinking and deep analysis. Despite their quiet and reserved nature, many of the world's most influential thinkers throughout history have been introverted individuals who have made remarkable contributions to their respective fields. In this video, we'll explore 7 reasons why introverts make great thinkers. We'll delve into the ways in which introverts excel in independent thinking, research, analysis, and creativity. And we'll provide examples of some of the most notable introverted thinkers throughout history. From philosophers and writers to scientists and innovators, introverted thinkers have shaped our understanding of the world in profound ways. By the end of this video, you'll have a greater appreciation for the unique strengths that introverts bring to the table when it comes to thinking and innovation. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of introverted thinking. Reason 1. Introverts love to reflect. We often spend time thinking deeply about things, turning them over in our minds until we find new insights or solutions. This love of reflection means that introverts are often great at analyzing complex problems and coming up with creative solutions. For example, think of the physicist Albert Einstein. He was known for his deep introspection and love of reflection, which helped him develop some of the most groundbreaking theories in physics. Einstein spent countless hours reflecting on the nature of the universe and the laws of physics, which ultimately led him to develop his famous theory of relativity. Reason 2. Introverts are great listeners. We tend to be quieter and more observant than our extroverted counterparts, which means we often pick up on details and nuances that others might miss. This attentiveness and empathy makes us great listeners, which can be a valuable skill in any situation. For example, think of the writer Toni Morrison. She was known for her ability to listen deeply and empathize with her characters, which helped her create some of the most compelling and powerful stories in modern literature. By listening carefully to the voices and experiences of those around her, Morrison was able to capture the nuances and complexities of the human experience in her writing. Reason 3. Introverts are comfortable with ambiguity. We often enjoy exploring complex, multifaceted problems and are comfortable with the fact that there may not be a simple answer. This comfort with ambiguity means that we are often able to see things from multiple perspectives and come up with more nuanced solutions. For example, think of the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche. He was known for his willingness to grapple with complex questions and explore the ambiguity and uncertainty of human existence, which helped him develop some of the most profound and thought-provoking ideas in philosophy. Nietzsche's writings often challenged traditional ways of thinking and encouraged readers to question their assumptions about the world and their place in it. Reason 4. Introverts are great at focused attention. We often prefer to work alone or in quiet environments, which means we are less likely to be distracted by external stimuli. This ability to focus deeply on a task or idea can be a valuable skill in many areas, from research to creative endeavors. For example, think of the painter Vincent van Gogh. He was known for his ability to focus intently on his work, often painting for hours on end without interruption. This focused attention allowed him to create some of the most beautiful and emotionally powerful paintings in the history of art. Van Gogh's paintings are known for their vivid colors and emotional intensity, which reflect his ability to focus deeply on the beauty and complexity of the world around him. Reason 5. Introverts are great at introspection. We often spend time reflecting on our own thoughts and emotions, which can help us gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This self-awareness can be a valuable asset in many areas of life, from personal relationships to professional pursuits. For example, think of the poet Emily Dickinson. She was known for her introspective and deeply personal poetry, which explored the complexities of human emotions and relationships. Dickinson's poetry is known for its depth and emotional intensity, which reflect her ability to reflect deeply on her own experiences and the world around her. Reason 6. Introverts are often great at research. We tend to be detail-oriented and thorough in our work, which makes us well suited for research projects that require careful analysis and attention to detail. This ability to dive deep into a topic and explore it thoroughly can be a valuable skill in many fields, from science to social sciences. For example, think of the anthropologist Jane Goodall. She spent decades researching the behavior of chimpanzees in the wild, observing their social interactions and documenting their behaviors. Goodall's research has had a profound impact on our understanding of primates and the natural world, and her meticulous attention to detail and deep curiosity allowed her to make many groundbreaking discoveries. Before going to the last reason, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of introverts and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of great books that all introverts will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Reason 7. Introverts are great at independent thinking. We often prefer to work alone or in small groups, which means we are less likely to be swayed by group dynamics or external pressures. This independence of thought can be a valuable asset in many areas, from business to academia. For example, think of the entrepreneur Elon Musk. He is known for his innovative ideas and his willingness to challenge conventional wisdom. Musk's independent thinking has led him to develop some of the most revolutionary products and technologies of our time, from electric cars to space rockets. His ability to think outside the box and pursue his own vision has made him one of the most successful and influential entrepreneurs of our time. In conclusion, introverts possess a wealth of unique strengths that make them excellent thinkers and innovators. They have the ability to think deeply and critically, analyze information thoroughly, and generate novel ideas. From Charles Darwin and Marie Curie to Bill Gates and J.K. Rowling, introverted thinkers have had a profound impact on our world, and their contributions continue to shape our understanding of science, literature, art, and culture. So, if you're an introvert yourself, don't let societal expectations make you feel like you're not enough. Embrace your unique strengths and use them to your advantage. And if you're not an introvert, we hope this video has given you a greater appreciation for the power of introverted thinking. So what do you think of these 7 reasons why introverts make great thinkers? Leave your comment, I love reading them all. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.